Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play FIFA 14 on Windows 10. While it's an older game, enjoying it on a modern system is achievable with the right approach. We'll cover two main methods to get you back on the pitch. The first involves adjusting compatibility settings, and the second, more robust method, utilizes a virtual machine. Let's dive into the details and get your game running smoothly. First, let's try compatibility mode. Locate the FIFA 14 executable file, usually in the game's installation folder. Right-click it, select Properties, then go to the Compatibility tab. Here, check Run this program in compatibility mode and select an older Windows version, such as Windows 7. Also, ensure Run this program as an administrator is checked. This simple step can sometimes fix common launch issues. For the most reliable experience, a virtual machine is recommended. Install virtualization software like VirtualBox. Create a new virtual machine and install an older operating system, such as Windows 7, within it. Allocate sufficient resources. For example, give it at least 2 GB of RAM and 20 GB of hard drive space. This creates a dedicated environment for FIFA 14, bypassing many modern operating system conflicts. Once your virtual machine is set up with an older Windows version, mount your FIFA 14 installation media, whether it's a disk image or physical disk, to the virtual machine. Install the game as you normally would. Remember to install any required drivers, especially for graphics and sound, within the virtual environment for the best performance. Adjust display settings as needed, and then you're ready to launch FIFA 14 and relive those classic matches.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.